xDesign on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform delivers a major change in the way you design 3D components. Starting with its unique single modeling environment, you're no longer constrained by working with parts or assemblies, like traditional design tools. Instead, you can get right to work creating the features and sketches that define your designs. Within xDesign, you'll find familiar sketch and feature tools, but you'll also find a ton of new ways to tackle your design challenges quickly. For example, while interactively sketching profiles, xDesign guides you in understanding which entities are geometrically constrained. As you add relationships between entities, capturing design intent, the color of those entities changes, helping you to define your sketches. xDesign is also always helping you in capturing your design intent by providing automatic relations as you sketch. Continuously drawing the same diameter circle? xDesign recognizes this and automatically makes them equal to one another. Whenever you want to add more relations, simply select two geometric entities and xDesign will provide you with relations that make sense. xDesign also shades the shapes of the contours within your sketches to let you know what shapes can ultimately be created with them. This lets you understand your overall design better while your sketches take on more complexity. Creating three-dimensional features from your 2D sketches is easy in xDesign. Multiple options for controlling the final shape are available in every feature dialog, eliminating the need for different dialogues for different features. For example, the extrude command can create features that are solids or surfaces. They can also be changed to add material or remove material at any time, and even start completely new bodies, all in a single command. Nearly all of these features can be dynamically changed later to become a different feature in the future, all on the fly without the need to start a different command. Maybe you created a chamfer and decided you'd rather have a fillet instead. Just a simple edit and change the feature type. This eliminates the need to delete and recreate the feature. This gives you unparalleled flexibility as you create and change your designs, as well as eliminating the need to learn different features for similar tasks. As these designs take shape, the power of the single modeling environment becomes more than just creating new geometry. It also offers the flexibility of which features make up entirely new components. xDesign allows you to select those features and create a new component from them on the fly. These newly created components can be used in other designs and managed with all of the tools on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. In addition to creating parts on the fly, right from an assembly by selecting the features, there is also a more traditional approach to building structured designs. You can simply insert one component into another at any time. Finding your components is simple because all of your engineering data is saved and managed on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Simply search for the component you're looking for and then drag and drop it into the xDesign app. When you want to locate them precisely, through mates, you simply need to choose the entities of two different objects, and xDesign presents you with an intelligent menu of possible mates. Choosing the desired mate type immediately moves the components into the desired position and restrains them to one another indefinitely. To streamline this workflow, when you're adding multiple instances of the same component, you can choose to instead use copy with mates. This not only adds additional instances of the component, but also adds the exact same mates as the original, streamlining the entire process. Sometimes you may need to change the component used in a particular instance. For example, from a longer fastener to a shorter one. Replace component allows you to quickly search the 3DEXPERIENCE platform for the file you're looking for and choose a replacement. You can also choose to replace all instances of the component if you desire. This gives you the flexibility to look at how different components will interface with your design. xDesign will change the way you think about CAD and structured assemblies with its powerful single modeling environment, along with its easy-to-use mating tools.